Hello guys, welcome back. As you already seen in the thumbnail, don't want to study Ind AS? In certain cases it is yes, but in certain cases it is not no. You should study Ind AS. What are those cases? We will see. ICMAI has given an important clarification on study material paper number 10 for corporate accounting and auditing in a revised edition July 2024. Section A, corporate accounting. In that module number 1, 2, 3, that is issue of shares, schedule 3, and then cash flow, Ind AS is not applicable for examination. You should write here itself, it is not applicable for exams. Why sir? Because it is a highly knowledgeable portion for inter students and all. If they keep that Ind AS portion now for preparation of Ind AS, AS7 and all, if you are going to ask us to prepare cash flow, nobody will prepare that. It will be very hectic for them to do. So they are trying to remove that. They given that it is only for knowledge purpose. If it is a knowledge purpose, keep with only your knowledge. Don't put it in your examination. That's what the institute is saying. Module number 1, module number 2, module number 3. Whatever you are studying in module number 1, module number 2 and module number 3 related to Ind AS is not applicable for you. Listen, division 2 is not applicable for exam. Cash flow statement, Ind AS 7 is not applicable for exam. The matters and the problem given in Ind AS 7, the matters and the problem given in Ind AS 7 in module 1, 2, 3 are only for knowledge purpose, not applicable for intermediate level of examination. Guys, this is the most important line which will save most of your time. Module 1, module 2, module 3. Sir, for cash flow, shall I study only AS3? Yes, it is more than sufficient. Sir, schedule 2, division 1 only you should study. There is one more important PDF also. I am going to discuss that with you. This is a supplementary material which has been given in addition to July 2024 edition. Whether you are using this edition or before that edition, you should be very careful. In module number 1, before that, this PDF is also available in the website. You can download it. Okay, you can check and download it. But what I was telling, go and get your notebooks. If you are watching this video while sleeping in your bed or slouching in the bed, sit straight and get your notebooks and get your ICMA study material. What and all I'm going to discuss with you is going to save so much of time. Immediately mark it in your notebook. Immediately mark it in your ICMA study material. Take model number 1.1 in page number 10 in July 2024 edition, or before the edition also you can check. Ignore the following part. Immediately strike this part in that particular page. Then immediately go to model number 1.1, page number 18. Come to page number 18 and strike that part which is in the middle of the page. Then page number 56, immediately come in that, strike off this entire thing. Division 2, you are not going to prepare division 2. The entire thing, instead of equity you will get shareholders fund, instead of other equity you will get reserves and surplus, instead of liability that everything remains the same. That the revised part of the question is given. So immediately take this or mark it this in your notebook. Mark it this. If I say notebook means it is mark it in your study material. Revised part of the question is there. Then quickly go to page number 62 in revised edition, or model number 1.1 or section number 1.1.4. Go to question number 2. Instead of writing securities premium reserve, you should only write securities premium. You should only write securities premium. Then ignore the question and solution of question number 3. They are given a new question. Take this question as a new question. Take this as a screenshot, or go to question 3. Strike the old question. Strike the old question and rewrite this new question, or take this as a screenshot. Immediately. Then immediately the answer. Next, model number 1.1, section 1.1.5. Ignore the part of page number 82 and 83. Whatever they are given in division 2 is not applicable. Only schedule 3, division 1 is applicable. The only difference between division 1 and division 2 is equities and liabilities menu. This menu is only difference. Instead of other equity, you should write reserves and surplus. Instead of equity, you should write down shareholders fund. That's what they have done, and change this as division 1 question. Shareholders fund, share capital, reserves and surplus, share application money pending allotment, non-current liability. This is the only change they have done. Next, keep this or change that heading itself. Then whatever there in module number 1.2 from page number 88, 89, 90 and 91, those 4 pages, strike this off. Strike this off. The chapter is start from 92. You are going to see in July 2024 revised edition material, or before that also. If you are having that, kindly do this. Module 1.2, section 1.2.3, page number 111. This 3 points are most important for DRR creation. So keep this as an important for examination. If it is already there, okay. If it is not there, take this as a screenshot. Then this, based on section 71 of Companies Act, read with rule 18 only, we will do that. And this is a second important point related to DRR, debenture redemption reserve. So make this as a most important thing. Then come to module number 2, preparation of as per schedule 3. Only you are going to study division 1. What and all division 1, sir? Division 1 is related to accounting standards. Whom and all India is applicable, they only will follow division 2. Under this forms and contents of financial statements in page number 153, the note should be read only division 1 is applicable for exam, to be read with companies accounting standards 2021. And page number from 205 till 246, somewhere around 41 pages has been given only for knowledge purpose. This 41 pages only, most of the students will have a fear, but from now onwards you are not going to study. It is only for knowledge. You will study, don't apply it in examination. There is also possibility that they will tell you like this, but the question from 6 question they are having in division 2 and schedule 3, no, they will ask the same question in division 1 form under schedule 3. So be careful while handling those 8 questions. Don't omit, just study. Study from a point of view of division 1 schedule 3 preparation. Then page number 216, before the solution you should write them division 1 and division 2. But they never discuss this in cash flow. But this is my point of view. This is my point of view in cash flow, that in cash flow statement only AS3 is applicable. What is this AS3? AS3 is a cash flow statement. In direct method and indirect method is only applicable, not in AS7, as they are already clarified in module 3 as a separate notification. Then you may not expect the examiner to give it as a separate disclosure. Instead to give a separate disclosure, my point of view is cash flow is only AS3 is applicable. Ind AS 7 is not applicable. But I will tell you one more important thing. In model question paper of December 2024 examination of paper number 10, corporate accounting and auditing, I think question number 3, I think so. In question number 3, they given the question in division 2. Before this clarification only, they released the model question paper. So in examination they never test you division 2, they will only test you division 1. Solve the problem in the model question paper in division 1 only, not in division 2. Division 2 is applicable only for Ind AS person. Those who are following Ind AS, they will follow division 2. Means asset will come first, liability will come second. Division 1 we will put liabilities first and assets second. Division 1 is applicable for them, those who are following accounting standards. Even in accounting cash flow statement, AS3 can be tested. Whatever they have given in Ind AS 7 question, that question, do it in AS3 form. Do it in AS3 form. Okay, but I want to give you most important thing. Module number 5, no, you are studying module 5, no, that module 5, in that you will study Ind AS portion, no, along with AS you will study, no, that is applicable. That is applicable for exams. Only Ind AS covered in module 1 to 3 are given for knowledge purpose, not applicable for intermediate level of examination. To get this PDF, kindly visit ICMAI website and get it. Have a nice day, guys.